binary arithmetic division. Rules are 0 divided by 1 is 0, 1 divided by 1 is 1. Now, according to this rule, we will take, for example, 110 divided by 110. So how we divide 110? It is same as the division done in decimal place. 1 is smaller than 110. We will take 2 digits. 11 is smaller than 110. We will take 3 digits. 110, 110 and 110 goes exactly. So it will. I will write 1 here and write down 110. Subtract 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. I take 1 down. Since 1 is smaller than this, I will write 0. I will take 1 more down. 11. Again 11 is smaller than 110. I will write 0 and take 1 more digit. That give me 110. It goes exactly with this number 110. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is my remainder. So question is, in this case, question is 1001 and remainder is 0. I take one more example. Next example is, divide these two numbers 111, 101, 11011. Correct? So it goes, we will first, I will take one digit. First three digits are smaller than the given number. So I will take first four digits. It goes with 1, 1, 1, 1. Subtract 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1 is 1 when it is borrow 1 from the next left column. So this becomes 0 and this becomes 2. 1, 0 becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Correct? So I take 1 down. 1 down, again 1 1 0, 1 1 1. Subtract 1 minus 1 0. 0 minus 1 is 1 when it borrow 1 from the next left column. But again here is 0. It becomes 0. This will go with 10. This become 2. 2 become 1 and this become again 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 0 0. Correct? I take 0 down. Since 100 is less than this, I put 0. I take 1 down. It goes with 1, 1, 1, 1. Subtract 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1 is, again it has to take 1, it has to borrow 1 from the next left column. This becomes 0. This becomes 2, 1, 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 0. Then take 1 down. Again, this is smaller than the given number. So I have quotient as 1101 and remainder 101. Take another example. Say, take another example. You will take 110010 divided by 1 1. Okay, so we take 11001 First two digits goes with this. I will go with 1 1 1. Subtract 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. I take 0 down. It won't go. Again I put 0 and take another 0 down. It again won't go. I put 0. I take 1 down. Again 1 is smaller than 1 1. I put 0 and I take 0 down. Since 1 0 is smaller than 1 1, I put 0 and take 1 down. Now it goes with 1. 1 1. Subtract 1 minus 1 0. 0 minus 1 is 1 when it borrow 0 from the next left column. So this becomes 1 0. So now I take 0 down. Then again it goes with 1 1 1. Subtract 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is 0. I know if I take this, it goes with, it borrow here, and this become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And this is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0. I take 1 down. It goes with 1. 1, 1, 11. And remainder is 0. Now we can see that quotient is, in this particular case, quotient is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 4 times, and 1, 1, 1. Remainder is, in this case, remainder is 0. This is how the division is done. Regarding subtraction, you can watch my video in subtraction of binary numbers, how the numbers have been subtracted. That will be easier for you to do the division part. So this is how we have to proceed with the division. Rules are given to me, I have explained to you. So you must follow with it. I hope you understood it. Keep watching my video. I will come early to proceed with the complex number also.